Hi, I'm Markus Bergmann, the founder of the company CARLA CARGO. And I am here at the new headquarters of CARLA CARGO, which is amazing to be. Hi everybody, Markus here. I will give you a short tour now through the new CARLA home, which we are actually building. So it's looking like that. And here we go. Hall of 6 meters. Who would have expected before 7 years creating CARLA CARGOs, building the first CARLA CARGO models in a garage, that it comes to that position that you are able to build something like that. Today is the day where we're gonna move our workshop. First of all, only the assembly parts, later on the office. We have so much light to work, we have such a great atmosphere to be creative. We have so many good team members, especially as we are just 50 meters away from our main manufacturer. So we now even getting our trailers with our bike trailers, so it makes a lot of fun to be here.
What's special about the CARLA CARGO team?
I'm proud of my team because everybody is an individual person with special skills and also a personal history or a story behind. And I try to find it in the team members and give them the surroundings they can grow. And sometimes it works good, sometimes not, sometimes there are also troubles, but that's the principal idea. I think CARLA CARGO is a good place to be and to work and to find the way to grow personally. And with this energy, I think with a good team and with this surrounding, the work we create here is very positive and can really bring and push forward new mobility.
What have you been up to in 2024?
Actually, we have released this year at the Eurobike 3 new products. It's number 1 is the CARLA Mini. We have also released the CARLA Maxi. And last but not least, we have the CARLA OR. It's called for off-road.
What are your plans for 2025?
So we have big plans for future. So this is just the start. Next year is our anniversary for 10 years of CARLA CARGO. Unbelievable, can't even imagine that. 10 years ago, we started in the garage to produce the trailers and had the idea of an overrun and electrified heavy load bike trailer. Now we are there and well, we will invite a lot of all our clients finally. That's our goal, to come here and celebrate a big party. So I hope I can't, I don't tell too much, but we will focus on electronics more and find out if we, on this field, even we can make the CARLA products more smart, more clever and more future orientated. So let's go for it.